Morning Rocket Nation, Coach Pritch here coming at you with our remote rocket ramp up stuff for you this week. Coach Dean, Coach Dempsey, Mr. Lay and I have been working hard to make sure you guys are squared away and have everything you need to be successful. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about our routines today. Yes, we've been at this for weeks, but we still have a good month of school left for you guys to finish strong and set yourselves up for the summertime and really earn that time off. I know this has been a trying time for everybody, and just want to make sure you guys have a good way to finish the year strong, right? So every day, right, routine. Now, do I do this every single day without fail? No, some days there are days where I don't win the morning, right? But Rocket Wrestling style, we're always trying to win the day, and the days that work, the days that win for me are the days where I'm usually hitting almost all aspects of this routine every day, right? So this morning we woke up, my wife and I took the dog for a walk, we hit the beach, and just got some sunshine, got some rays, and it's just it's a great way to start the day. We'll come back, we hit up the Calm app for meditation. They did a nice thing for teachers, and we got it free for a year, so you can't beat that. So we hit that meditation, 10 minutes just to sit. It doesn't have to be woo-woo and incense and smoke and things. You just sit, breathe, and focus on yourself, and take that time to center yourself for the day. And then every morning, I start out with some warm lemon water, half a lemon. You can do the whole lemon if you really like that in there. All right. Just a dash, little pink salt, black pepper, and the apple cider vinegar. Make sure you get the stuff with the mother. That's with all the funky stuff on the bottom. That's where it's at. You can do a little spicier option on that. A little dash of cayenne and some raw honey. It's pretty good, right? So warm water, and then you hit that down. That's first pint of water for the day. I'll do my coffee, black coffee. I like dark roast. I'll get Aldi house roast. We're doing very well with that. And then breakfast. Breakfast for me usually is gluten-free steel-cut oats and some fresh blueberries, and then I'll throw a banana in there too. A little cinnamon, a little turmeric. It's good stuff. Again, is it every single day? No. Sometimes I'm hitting some eggs. Sometimes I'm even just hitting some rice checks with that fruit. Right. Unless I'm hitting my bulletproof coffee where I hit that grass-fed butter, MCT oil, and just that coffee, and that keeps me usually till lunchtime. Not that I'm following any sort of intermittent fasting program, but that's my typical routine for breakfast. When you guys work, I know it can be difficult. There's a lot of distractions. Maybe you've got siblings, you've got crazy animals, whatever. It helps to be set up in the same place to do your work. Now, I know for some of you guys, sometimes your bedroom is the best place. We had Rocket alumni Justin Trotta. He's home from college, and for him, actually, his bedroom is the best place. He's set up a table, so he's not laying in bed watching his class videos or anything, but he's set up a table, and he can be distraction-free. For me, my wife's working from home right now, so she's got more monitors and stuff, so she's in our spare room, which we've set up as an office. For me, I've set up this area here in this little nook in our kitchen, which the kitchen is a high-traffic area, but I've got two daughters, and they kind of hide up in their room doing their schoolwork for a lot of the day, so I don't have that many distractions despite being in the kitchen. Plus, this enables me to get up from time to time and stand instead of sit. I was first set up at our kitchen table, or dining room table, and I don't know, that bench seat just kind of didn't work for my back, so I got to here so I can sit, I can stand, I'm set up, I've got my Dilbert calendar from the desk in J5, so I'm good to go. I've got this area here every single day, and I can get my work done and pump out content for you guys. And then I get some fitness in. Fitness, back has been shaky, but fitness looks a little bit different every day. Could be just a simple walk, the fresh air, but you've got push-ups, you've got squats, jumps, lunge jumps. You don't need a lot of stuff. Yeah, I happen to have a couple kettlebells I like to throw around when the back is feeling good, but you can go for a run, a walk, and again, push-ups for the win. If you've got one of those doorway pull-up bars, which I happen to have because the Guts crew gifted me one after cross-country season, you can knock those out too. Right? But make sure you're getting this set routine. Work in the same place. Don't lay in bed. You're going to watch some YouTube videos. It's just not conducive to doing good work. And I know this isn't what we wanted, but it's the life we have right now. It's the situation we have. And you hear different things on social media, different things in the news. Everything's very partisan right now. We're going to work on some content, media literacy content for you, so you can kind of know what to trust and what to believe. But just take this time, step back, slow things down, have some gratitude, And again, get that routine. You've got a month left. Finish strong. We've got a summer coming up. Governor Murphy may have some announcements for us soon, but either way, we can distance, we can still talk and be social with people, and those routines are going to set you up for success. Right? Thanks, Rocket Nation. Stay strong. If you need anything, hit us up.